As ma'am told, I mean, last year we launched a national qualifier test. Previously, we used to go to campus hiring on the campuses, but there was a limitation. TCS had some 45 colleges in Maharashtra which were accredited, but we thought that there are around 300 colleges in Maharashtra itself. So why not give chances to the other college students? So we launched this national qualifier test, and due to which around 5 lakh students were eligible, registered, out of which 2 lakh 50,000 wrote the test, 60,000 cleared the test, and we finally offered 30,000 students. So it's a gigantic task. I mean, yeah. Regarding resume, I mean, majority of the colleges have their own standard format, but personally, I see a lot of students who send their resumes are quite verbose. I mean, a lot of content in it and no important information. I mean, for us, we have to see eligibility criteria. We have to see the year of passing, no more than 2 years gap. So basic details are missed out. I mean, the year of passing is missed out, or the institute is missed out. So first thing, I mean, majority of the colleges have their own format, but I would suggest that at least basic details should be put in. Then ma'am said technical skills, they are equally important. I mean, technical skills is what we basically look for apart from communication skills. I mean, typically in TCS we have a lot of various verticals. We have a vertical called engineering and industrial services. So if we interview a mechanical or electronic student, we basically check for their core domain knowledge. And if we find fit in their core domain knowledge, we basically tag them to that unit where they will be working in their core domain. But if you see that their core skills are not matching up to, but if their aptitude and attitude is good, we can train them in IT enabled, I mean, programming languages, then we tag to them to IT or ITIS. So even their technical competence is very important. I mean, their basics should be thoroughly clear enough. For foreign languages, I mean, yes, one foreign language in these days is must. I mean, you have to package yourself so well. I mean, you must have read MHRD reports that around 15 lakh or 16 lakh students pass every year. Engineering students, and only 1 lakh are employable. I mean, so you have to package yourself well so that you should come in top 1 lakh students. I mean, foreign language learning is equally important. I mean, be it any language, German, French, Japanese. I mean, TCS per se, we have a lot of Japanese business. And you will not believe Japanese people are extremely scared to talk in English. I mean, they say that we need Japanese bilingual, we'll teach them technical knowledge. You just give us students who know Japanese. I mean, that's their, because they are extremely scared to talk in English. I mean, so Japanese business is tremendous business. They have a lot of money, they have a lot of opportunities. So we are looking for students who know at least one foreign language. That adds up a very much value in their CV. And fourth was attire. Yeah, I mean, there is no second chance for first impression. So, I mean, I am from IT industry, today is Friday, and I am wearing formals. So that speaks for itself. So, yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you.